If you want to delete your Evernote account, or as Evernote calls it, close your account, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. This is a really important tutorial, because once your account is closed, you can lose access to your synced notes and account data. So before you do anything, make sure you export any important information you want to keep. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Evernote account settings. You want to make sure you are signed into the correct Evernote account before continuing, especially if you have more than one email address. Once the account settings page loads, you'll land on your account summary. This is where Evernote keeps the main account controls, including security and account status options. Now look at the left side of the page and click on Account Status. This section contains the option you need to begin the account closure process. Once you open Account Status, look for the Close Account button and click it. This is the starting point for deleting your Evernote account. After that, Evernote will take you to a README page. Take a moment to review the information carefully, because this page explains what happens when you close your account. You'll usually be reminded that your account access will end and that your data may no longer be available. When you're ready, check the box that says I understand and then click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to the Contact Information page. Here, Evernote asks you to confirm that you are sending the request on your own behalf. Check the box for I'm sending this request on my own behalf. Then fill in the required details, including your name, your location, and your email address. Make sure the information matches the account details as closely as possible, so the request goes through smoothly. After you enter your email, you may be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA. If that appears, go ahead and clear it so Evernote knows the request is coming from a real user. Once that is done, Evernote will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox, find a message from Evernote, copy the verification code, and paste it into the confirmation field. Once you've entered the code, review your account details on the My Info page. This is your chance to double-check everything before the request is finalized. If everything looks correct, click Continue. Now you'll arrive at the Submission page. This page is your final review before the account closure is submitted. Read through the request one more time to make sure the right account is being closed. When you're confident everything is correct, click Submit to delete, or more accurately, close your Evernote account. And that's it. Your Evernote account closure request has been submitted. Remember, Evernote uses the term closing your account, so this may appear a little different from other services that say delete account. Also, once your account is closed, you may lose access to your notes and synced content, so again it's smart to export anything important before starting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.